Alright guys, welcome to It's Time to Have Fun, where all videos are amazing. And here's another amazing video coming right this way. Look at all this, I'm back at a familiar place. Yep, hey guys, and welcome back to today's video. And so in this video today guys, I'm actually walking into Six Flags over Texas. It's like 4:46 a.m. and yes, this might be crazy for me to be doing this, but I am. We are actually here for a special private media day for Tormenta. So I'm going to ride it for the first time today. And so this is just a private event. The ride it's currently July 8th. The ride opens to the public tomorrow for me. But so anyways, we are actually here today, this early in the morning. We're going to go check out some things related to Tormenta today and get my first few credits on this thing. And so, anyways, we're going to go enjoy the day here this early in the morning. So, alright, let's go. Look at all this, guys. There's nobody here. Here for the spring section. Bye. Alright guys, I've actually ridden Tormenta 3 times now. It's a fun ride. Better than Mr. Freeze. It's like my 10th favorite. I really like it. What I like is that on the inversions you get good views, like of being upside down. So the inversions on it are really fun. So yeah, it's a fun ride. And once after this, it's completely free to ride. So just come on any day you want. It opens tomorrow. So just come any day you want, and Tormenta will be waiting for you to ride. Alright, so I'm pretty sure this is going to be the action.
I sent them an email saying that,
Alright guys, heading for my fourth go. Okay guys, so while I was there at the event, I actually saw both Jwulfcoasters and JBThrillsjwu. I got my picture taken with them. I will put their channels in the link to this video. Make sure to subscribe to them. And so yeah, they were very nice, and it was fun to see them again. And so yeah, I really like both of them. So yeah, it was really cool to see them again and get a picture with both of them in the picture. So yeah, and I actually told them about my channel too. Okay guys, so I've got now have 4 rides done on Tormenta, and so yeah, I've got 4 rides done on this big guy right here. And anyways, so with that being said, you're actually not going to believe this, but suddenly we were like strapped in, getting ready to go, and suddenly like a firework went off, like boom. And it like startled everyone in line. And so, you know, me being sensitive to fireworks, I handled it well. So I handled it very well, I think so. And I was just like, all good, continued on with the ride, still enjoyed it. It was probably my smoothest ride I've had on it all day. And so anyways, we did hear that there are going to be a few loud bangs, and I think I said that I am absolutely sensitive to that, and then that's why Disney will never be my home park, and I'm staying here. But so I would love to say that the team here did a good job warning people about the bangs, and they just did a very wonderful job on doing that. And so anyways, yeah, and I'm going to show you kind of around here. We've got teacups, but that's not open. We've got this bull statue over here. And then I'll show you when we go back over, you can kind of see. There's the water fountain from Conquistador. But so anyways, I will show you around. So the only ride currently open is Tormenta, the new one. But so anyways, yeah, so it's been a fun day so far, very fun morning, and that firework didn't ruin for me a single bit. I just went right on, handled it well, glad they warned me. And so with that being said, it could have happened at a better place than Six Flags over Texas. So anyways, yeah, here's novia.
seated at all times so the right comes in, please. Stand by.
Okay guys, so that will do it for this video. Sorry it was short. I know I didn't talk much in it. It's because I was busy like riding Tormenta and things like that. But that will do it for our media day for the new Tormenta rampaging run. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yes, I did do the teacups because those were open too. And they were fun, not the best. But yeah, good to do it if it's open. And it had been a while since I've done the teacups. Over a year because they have been closed. And so anyways, and so Tormenta, it's a fun ride. I think so. Yeah, it's definitely a fun ride. Really liked it. We'll definitely be going back to ride it again. And so yeah, fun ride. And so with that, we're heading out. Thank you guys so much for watching. And we've not stayed. Yeah. So we did not stay for the ribbon cutting, possibly because I am sensitive to fireworks, like I already said. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys. Oh wait, and also I currently have 101 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, and I could use your help, and that means after this month, you guys can control my day at Six Flags Over Texas. But so anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. What a wonderful video that was, but unfortunately it's now coming to an end. But if you want to see more, please make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. And I will see you next time.